Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Elizabeth. I have just entered my house and this is what is going on. So I was away and I couldn't clean before I go out. I had to do a birthday celebration, so it was a sleep out birthday celebration and I left this mess in the kitchen. I didn't have time. These ones are clean, but I'm gonna give them a rinse before I put them away, and I have to tackle this chaos on the table. So over here I went to my mom's place. I bought some chicken feet and head, so I prepared them and I brought them to cook them here for dinner. We do eat and we do like chicken feet and head. And now I'm going to put water on the fire. I'll be using the kettle so that it can boil faster. This will be water for the dishes. Now this is how it is looking. Please never mind the darkness outside. It's not looking good. We have a weather which is weathering. It's cold this weekend. Actually, yes, Friday was fine. The Good Friday was fine, and on Saturday the weather started to change. It was drizzling and it's cold outside. So this is what is going on. I am going to be cooking also, but I'm not gonna show the cooking part because I don't know how to cook. Actually, cooking is not my thing to be shown on camera. I'll be putting away all those things that you are seeing here. So it's in the afternoon, just after 4 p.m. I'm cleaning the kitchen and doing dinner also.
I don't wanna see you. I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make.
So while I put my water to boil for the dishes, I was preparing to cook the chicken feet. So I rinsed that pot, and you know, as women we multitask. You do two different things at the same time. So I wanted to beat two birds with one stone. Then it's me there putting that chicken feet in the pot. So when I'm saying I prepared my chicken feet before cooking them, I mean I bought chicken feet which were not clean. The outer skin was not removed, so I removed the outer skin and the feathers from the heads of the chicken. One would say, why don't I buy the feet that are already prepared? Sometimes those feet are hard to cook and they don't have taste. For me, in my opinion, no, not in my opinion, for my taste buds, they do not have a taste. So I like buying small or very thin chicken feet, or this one that still have the outer skin, so that I can remove the outer skin on my own. And me removing the outer skin, I use hot water. People who know how to prepare them and how to clean the chicken feet, they know we use a boiled water. So those ones, they can easily cook to well done. The meat will fall off the bone so easily, unlike the ones that are already prepared. They are thicker and the meat doesn't easily fall off the bone. So I am removing this the rubbles and dirt that doesn't belong to the table. These dishes, I left them. Some were stinking, so I'm going to use soap, jig, and when I say jig, I mean bleach, and handy Andy for drastic measures. So I'm going to use the soap that I'm using is a local brand, so we're supporting the locals, but I'm not really happy about it. I used it from 2 weeks back, but it's already getting finished, meaning for me it doesn't have enough foam. So I'm thinking of going back to my normal regular dishwashing soap. Now I'm removing things from the table. And the other thing that you can realize, when the dishes are dirty, just know automatically the kitchen is out of this world with a mess. So I started by removing everything from the tops so that I can go to the floor. Meanwhile, the chicken feet are cooking.
Make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one.
The water has already boiled. I'm going to wash and rinse them, then wipe them and put them away. I will do that as fast as I can because it was getting darker outside and it was cold. I was getting a little bit impatient because of time. So here, honestly, I lost this footage. Actually, I didn't lose the footage. I wasn't aware that I was not recording. It happens. If you are a content creator, that thing happens. So I didn't record. I was not aware when I was washing those cups. All my plates were finished from the cupboards. They were all dirty. I have 7 plates, 3 from my mom, and I bought 4 on top of that. So I have 7 plates, but the other one is at my mom's place. It went there with food the other day, and all of them, they were out dirty. You can imagine a family of 4 people using all the plates. We were just doing whatever we can do, and I had to go. Guys, I couldn't clean this place before I had to go.
I'll be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got me. fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you, I just wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I'm gonna be the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna fear you tonight. You don't wanna know me, you just wanna make sure you're right. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna feel you tonight. Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? Got me. Got me. Can I hear you? I don't wanna call you. I don't wanna know what you think. I'm the one you go to whenever you feel like you're about to sink. I don't wanna just forget you, but I wanna be fine. I'll be waiting for a sign to light up, yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey you, I could become the one for another one. Hey you, maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. Maybe then you'll know that I was never one. I'm gonna be the one for another one. I don't wanna fear you tonight. Got me. Got me.
Now the place is coming together as I'm putting away the dishes to their places, and it's looking good. The chicken feet are cooking. Later on I will be cooking also the porridge that is going together with the chicken feet. The porridge, I mean that thing that we prepare using maize meal. Over here, honestly, there is nothing much. I'm just putting away what doesn't belong to the sofa, rearranging and making it look squeaky clean.
I don't wanna see you, I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you, you don't wanna know if I feel alright.
One thing about this corner where I've put these chairs frustrates me when I clean because of this wiring down there from the solar to the battery. Sometimes I disconnect these wires from the battery and I kind of like afraid of connecting them back because I don't want to be choked. Sometimes I don't even know which one goes to which terminal. I'm just afraid. So yeah, and to tell you the honest truth, I disconnected the wires, and it took me some time to figure out what happened, because even when I was cleaning the bedroom I disconnected the wires that side. So later in the dark when I want to switch on the lights, the wires were disconnected and I was getting frustrated. Honestly, these wires here, they're just too much. And the reason why I started by cleaning this corner here, I wanted to freely sweep all the house without any obstacles. So I started with the corner. Then went back to sweep everything so that I can just freely go out of the door with the dirty stuff. And since you had, I said I was a little bit becoming impatient because of the time, the cooking also, and making this place look clean, I didn't mop. So I will mop tomorrow.
Was never easy growing up. About time I read a book to distract myself from this reality. Oh, it's been a couple years, I feel the same. Guess I'll never really learn this fucking game, but I'm here to play it now. I don't wanna cry again, even if I lose a friend. You say you had good intent when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me. I don't wanna try anymore. Yeah, I won't show up at your door in the morning. Said that it wasn't planned when you hurt me. You do it all again, that's so loose to me.
Even this cupboard, I didn't give it a thorough wiping because I just wanted to see myself out of this place. It was cold, guys. It was so cold, and I wanted to see myself done with this cleaning, done with the cooking, eating, and straight to bed. So it was just a fast cleaning.
The introduction of this video that it was looking a whole lot of messy. Now I am done. I'm going to cook. Already my chicken feet are cooked the way I like them. I want my meat to fall off the bone, so they're already cooked. Over here I'm going to cook some porridge. That's the meal that I'm going to have tonight, and everything is looking good. I am so happy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Please share this video, comment down below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.